Hello guys, so I'm closing my 8 weeks personal one-on-one mentorship, and I already got 12 enrollments for it, and I got so many applications for this 12 seats that I am increasing the 12 number to 15, so I'm taking 3 more applicants. So actually I got so many applications and so many candidates were eligible, so I'm increasing the seat capacity to 3 more people, so I'm enrolling 3 more persons for my mentorship program. And if you wanted to start your own Amazon FBA business, then this might be your first step, the first action towards it. So if you were planning to start an Amazon FBA business and you were putting this task to the next day, to the next month, or to the next year, and telling yourself that I would do this next year, then stop putting every task to the next day. It's a very bad habit, and as I said yesterday, commit to something first, then you will figure out later. And it's always better to learn step by step from someone that already did the same thing. And it took me almost 2 years to see any results for myself, and I learned a lot of things along the way, and I could help you to expedite the process for you. And I will stop taking applications after 17th October. So 17th October is the last date where I will take applications for the last 3 seats. So please make hurry in order to apply for this mentorship program of 8 weeks. I have also crossed 5.5 lakhs in sales from 2 of my products in past 20 days, and one of the product that was in stock gone out of stock in past 1 or 2 days, and it will be back in before the sales. So that's my sales, and you already know my goal is to achieve 7 lakhs in revenue with 2 lakhs in profit in 30 days. So I'm already into that, and I have some more products coming in production right now, will arrive in around 20 days. So you will see more sales figure from those products also. Now if you wanted to know more about what's included in this coaching, then you should watch this full video in order to know what's included in this one-on-one 8 weeks personal coaching successfully. तो मैं इस 8 वीक पर्सनल वन ऑन वन कोचिंग का स्ट्रक्चर बता देता हूं आप लोगों को कि क्या क्या इसमें इंक्लूडेड रहेगा। तो ये वन ऑन वन पर्सनल कोचिंग 8 वीक्स का रहेगा, और ये होगा गूगल मीट पे, और एक वीक में टोटल 3 कोचिंग सेशंस रहेगा, और एक एक कोचिंग सेशन लगभग 2 to 3 आवर्स रहेगा। एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 3 सेशंस 2 सेशंस रहेगा जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाऊंगा, और एक सेशन एक बोनस सेशन रहेगा जिसमें आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन पिछले सेशंस के ऊपर, या फिर आप लोग मुझे प्रोडक्ट आइडियाज देंगे, मैं उसको वैलिडेट करूंगा लाइव, और कोई भी बंडलिंग आइडियाज, प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन, कुछ भी आप वहां पे हम लोग एनालाइज करेंगे। और मैं इस कोचिंग सेशन के लिए सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को एनरोल करूंगा, क्योंकि आई वांट टू मेक श्योर एवरी पर्सन इन दिस ग्रुप लॉन्चेस अ सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट। और मेरा गोल ये कोचिंग से ये है कि जितना भी स्टूडेंट्स उस ग्रुप में रहेगा वो लोग 100% सक्सेस रेट अचीव करे, और सिर्फ इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को ही एनरोल करने का मौका दे रहा हूं, क्योंकि अगर मैं ज्यादा लोगों को एनरोल करता हूं तो मैं पूरी फोकस नहीं दे पाऊंगा उन सब पर्सन्स के ऊपर। तो मैं पूरा आप लोगों को गाइड करूंगा इस कोचिंग में, फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर बिजनेस टू फाइंडिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम चाइना, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया, validating your product ideas, validating the bundle ideas, to launching your product successfully, managing your PPC campaigns, everything covered in this coaching session. और मैं ये भी गाइड करूंगा ताकि आप लोग एकदम सक्सेसफुली सही से आपका लॉन्च स्ट्रैटेजी इंप्लीमेंट कर पाए, और मैं आप लोगों को अपना PPC कैंपेन मैनेज करने के लिए भी गाइड करूंगा वन ऑन वन। एंड यू विल गेट फुल एक्सेस टू माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर एंड माई पर्सनल मोबाइल नंबर, ताकि अगर कोई भी डाउट आप लोगों का हो तो आप लोग इजीली मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट में रह सकते हैं। और ये 10 से 12 लोगों को फुल एक्सेस मिलेगा मेरे इनर सर्कल का, जिसमें आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट आई विल वर्क ऑन एंड आई एम करेंटली वर्किंग ऑन। आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज विद देम। तो ये पूरा A to Z कोचिंग होगा जिसमें मैं सब कुछ कवर करूंगा A to Z, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर Amazon बिजनेस, द प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च, कीवर्ड रिसर्च, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया, ऑल इंपोर्ट रिलेटेड डिटेल्स, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम चाइना, then creating a listing, images, all basics about images, then creating your listing, everything will be covered in this coaching. Launching your product, managing your PPC, all advanced strategies of ranking, then how to get reviews, all advanced automation for reviews and customer engagement, ManyChat automation, review automation, everything will be covered in this course. And I will be taking only a small group of people in this coaching, just to make sure every person in this group gets attention fully from myself, so that they can launch their product successfully and I can achieve 100% success rate. My sole reason of taking only 10 to 12 people in this group is just to make sure I guide them personally in every step of the journey and launching a successful product, so that they can achieve 100% success rate launching their products and make enough profit from starting. And I will be coaching only 10 to 12 people just to make sure that every person in this group gets full attention from me while launching their products. So I'll guide every 12 out of 12 people in this group, and I'll make sure they launch their product successfully and start making profit as soon as possible. So now let's talk about the eligibility. So I will not be pricing this coaching very high like most of the other personal coaching program does. So I will take only 10 to 12 people for this coaching, depending on their eagerness to start a business and their ability to take massive actions. So now let's talk about the pricing. So the whole one-on-one coaching plus my personal mentorship plus the access to my personal mobile number until launching your first product, plus my access to my WhatsApp number for lifetime, and access to the inner circle where I share all the strategies that I am working right now and I will be working in the future. And all this is just for 9,999 rupees, and I will be taking only 10 to 12 people in this group, and I will not be taking any more. You can buy digital courses which will be more expensive, and even the one I bought costed me around 28,000 rupees during 2018. And in digital course it becomes very hard to get access to the mentor itself and sharing your product details, discussing your launch strategies, discussing your PPC campaign strategies, why the product is not working, what strategy you should apply. That everything becomes very complex in case of digital course. So this coaching will be starting from October 2nd week, and you can email me if you are interested to enroll for this course. The email address will be here displayed in the screen. And once you email me, I will ask you a few questions and send you the payment details. And I will be announcing the exact dates after discussing with all of the members. Since it's a one-on-one personal coaching, so I will make sure your product selection is great and it's a winning product. So I will guide you in every step from A to Z. So email me on this email address before all the 12 seats gets filled up. So enroll fast if you are interested, and I will see you guys in the next video.